So starting the test drive in this Yukon Denali, very powerful 6.2 V8, no surprise there. Gets up to speed very nicely, and the 10-speed does a great job just kind of going through the power, and I like that. It makes it more fuel efficient on the highway, but getting up to speed finds a gear pretty quickly that it needs to maximize your torque response. Now I do have it in sport mode now, so I'm going to leave it there, and we're going to give it a good pull getting on the interstate. I'm not going to floor it, but I am going to give it something just so y'all can hear the engine, hear the exhaust, and kind of get that full effect there. But this only has about 15 miles on it, so I don't want to thrash it before it's been broken in at least a little bit. Here we go. So it just gets up to speed with such ease. And it's just, it's fantastic. Now I have the lane centering on now, the adaptive cruise. Ride quality is fantastic, but especially with this air ride adaptive suspension, it's very smooth going down the road. But I want to give another big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Yukon Denali today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But it's just the Yukons ride so well, again, especially when you go up to the Denali, you have the air suspension. Even with these 22s, you can hear them more than you can feel them, which is fantastic. And they're really not overly loud. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, I mean, it's no bargain. If you are on some sort of budget, unless it's between this and an Escalade, you're getting one of these because you want something nice, you can afford it, and money's not super tight. Now, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you can get it done, but I mean, this is gonna run you around $2,000, depending on what you have going on with the interest rates and all of that, if you get warranty, so on and so forth. Not necessarily at $2,000, but depending on how long you finance, so on and so forth, you'll be in that $1,500 to $2,000 range in terms of a monthly payment. But you know, an Escalade might run you $3,000, and maybe $2,000's not terrible, but $3,000's too much. And in that sense, I mean, it's somewhat of a, not a bargain, but it saves you money, because the newer Escalades, as nice as they are, a lot of the stuff that you need, like you need a 3-row SUV, you need it to be large because you're going to be towing, whatever. The Escalade and Yukon pretty much ride on the same platform. The Escalade is just nicer, but in a lot of ways you might not notice. So you still have heated cooled seats here. You might have heated cooled in the Escalade. Maybe if you get up to a Platinum Sport, something like that, you start adding massage seats and whatnot. But depending on who you are, 100,000 compared to 135,000 might be your breaking point. So with that being said, you get a lot here. You don't have to go up to an Ultimate, but it pretty much has everything that the Ultimate has other than the seats. But at this price point, I might go up to an Ultimate, but having the air ride suspension is great. Love this glacier white paint, and everything else just feels top of the line, as it should. So a very nice spec here, very nice build out. And at $98,000, it might be the one that fits in your budget. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 GMC Yukon Denali.